Hi everyone, how you doing? Ron here with How Do I. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the round function. As you can see, I've got the Excel help feature up right now, and in order to get there, you could come over to the top of the window, come over to help, and once you see help, you could just type in anything that you want to ask, and as you can see, I typed in round, and it gives you an explanation of doing this. And there's multiple ways of doing the round function, so I'm going to show you this, especially when you're working with sales numbers, etc. So if you look at the formula, so if you go equals round and then open bracket and then the cell and then two decimal places, so that's the actual formula on how to round. And if you look at the syntax, it's round the number and the number of digits. Okay, so we can look at different formulas here as well. You can round minus two decimals, and there's also some other round up and round down, etc. So let's get into the video. So if you come over here, and we're just going to type in, actually let's just come over to the bottom and we're going to place it here. Just general round, and we could do round up. Okay, so we want to do an equal, and then the open bracket, sorry, we wanted equals round. Okay, so now you can see when you do the equal, it's going to ask, what do you want to do? Do you want to do general round, a round down, a round up, or an M round? So this one is just going to be a regular round. Okay, now it's showing you, okay, what do you want to do? Round the number, okay, so which is this number. So we're going to click here, and the number of digits that we want to round to. So let's click on the number, and then it's going to do a comma, and then how many digits. So let's just do, if you want to do 0 digits, it's just going to give us an even number. Okay, if we do 2, it's going to give decimal and then the 2 there. So 4, 2, this will actually be a 3 on this side. So let's just do 2, close the bracket, and click on enter. So see, it's a 2.4.3 because the next number was 8, so it rounded it up. So over here, we're going to also do the round formula equals round up, okay, and the number again, and the number of digits, comma, and we can do 5, for example. Close the bracket, and equal. Now we can do the round down. The same formula, equals round, and we're going to click on down, the number, which is this, and the number of digits, we can use comma, and we can do 7. Close the bracket, enter. Okay. Now let's say we wanted to work with decimal places, and you wanted to present this to your boss, and you didn't like the fact that it was like 2.4.8571149. You can do just the regular round with 2 decimal places, or you could come over here to the format button, highlight the cells here, or you can just highlight these cells. Now if we're looking at a total sales and we wanted to make this look nicer, we could click on the currency to show that it's actually a dollar in amount. And now you could actually come over here and you can increase the decimal by increase or decrease the decimal. So if we wanted to increase the decimal, you see what we're doing here? Or you could decrease the decimal. But automatically, as soon as we press on the currency, did you see what Microsoft Excel did? It automatically formatted it into 2 decimals, which is great. So that's it for the video. Let's get into the next lecture.